Well, hello. It's week 7. How are you doing? Hanging in there? All right. If that answer was no, shoot me an email. If the answer was yes, awesome. So week 7, there is not a new assignment or a new submission due. There is 2 discussion boards. It's really going to be just getting ready for your big submission on the Friday of week 8. Remember that week 8 ends on a Friday. So week 7, you have 2 discussion board posts. One gets into some possible questions around qualitative data. Keep in mind the difference. Quantitative is a quantity, right? How many times have you done this? And it's a measurable thing. Imagine, pie charts and bar graphs. And then qualitative, I like to think of as kind of the quality of, tell me about a time when you did this. And so there's a great video. It's 4.5 minutes. It really gets to the point and hits a lot of the common mistakes and also ways to really create better qualitative questions for a survey. So in that first discussion board, you're going to have 4 or 5 preliminary questions that you're going to use for a survey around your question. And it's going to be qualitative, trying to get people to share details, tell stories. That second discussion board post is around chapter 3. So this should look pretty familiar, where you're going to upload as a Word document your chapter 3 to the discussion board. Then you're going to do the same thing, like comment, hey, I'm reviewing yours, 2 people review it. You're going to give detailed critical feedback to 2 of your peers. You can either do, and I'm looking a little bit just to make sure that the text is right. You can use the text box, or you can actually, kind of do inline comments, tracking features, whatever you are more comfortable with, or whatever the person requests. And so by Thursday, you're going to kind of call dibs and say, I'm going to review this classmate's paper. And then by Sunday, you're going to upload your feedback and you're reviewing 2 peers. And then that should tee you up for final edits for your submission of chapter 3 the following week. So that is all. There are not readings. There's not an additional assignment. It's going to be just really helping each other fine-tune chapter 3, and then really just spending a lot of time making sure your final submission is ready to go. So reach out with questions as you have them. If you've not looked at the Capstone Handbook in a while, this is a good time to reread that, review that, make sure you're good to go, and happy week 7, everybody.